Welcome friends to another session of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. The past few sessions we have been learning about the various functions in Excel and a few tips and tricks to get the best out of Excel. Thanks for being with me. Please inform your colleagues, friends to subscribe so that they, you, me can all excel at work. We will now look further on the match mode. We have looked at other options. We now look at the wildcard option in match mode. Suppose this is the list of we've been using in our first example on XLookUp. So here what I want to know is, I do know that guy's spelling to an extent, but I don't remember the full name. I know it starts something like Rad, R-A-D. So I can't remember the full name Radhakrishnan. It could be Radha, it was something like Radhakrishnan, Radha Ravi. We don't know what it is. So you put up a wildcard entry here. Wildcard entry is basically you look the name. The name is something like Radha Star. So you look up this Radha Star in the first name and you want the full history, that is you want the ID, you want the first name, last name, his profession, his mail ID, and if not found we'll tell not found. If it is found we want to do the wildcard character match. So this is what we get. It starts with RAD and it goes all the way till here. Well, let us just slightly modify this so we can view all the data. We'll just transpose this. We'll transpose the whole result. It will spill over to the vertically. Yeah. So if it starts with RAD has a asterisk, the ID number is first name, the last name is profession, is mail ID. Same thing, suppose you remember their ID, last ID is, you know, it is 04, or the name contains the name contains, let us say, Uma. So you can use the wild character like it contains you, something friend, something back, but it contains the letter U. So you get Mahadevi. And then like it has got NA in him. Or you know it ends with NA. So you know the letter ends with NA. If you put here, I get Krishna, but it ends with Krishnan. So I know it starts with something, it ends with Krishnan. It's Radhakrishnan Srinivasan Professor. Similarly, you know their ID number, only the last two digits you know, or last digit you know. In that case, we'll just change the value from lookup value of A to A10, and you will say you know the values ends with 7, comes like this. In case you find that putting asterisks every time in the front is a bit difficult, you can hard code into the formula itself. That is, it starts with and ends with F2. In this case, just put 7 here, or 6 here, or 5, or 4, or 3, or 2. Sorry, 2. This is what you get. So this is how you use a wildcard entry. Wildcards, like you said, can be even, for example, I'll show you all what else we can do with this one. This will be, again, we look up the names itself. It's got only 4 letters in this name. Amar is the first match. If it is 5 letters, it's Amitabh. This is hard coded to star. We don't require this one here for present. We'll go for star. That is a 5-letter word is Ravi. The 3 letters is Uma. You got more than that. Amitabh, for example, has got 7 letters. Like I said, you can basically play around with the data here. Hope you have learned something new or refreshed what you already know. Please subscribe and share this with your peers, friends and colleagues to help them, you and me to excel at work. Thank you for watching.